it's Mao from Sparkly Belly. I wanted to make a quick belt with lace appliques to go with this brand new skirt I made, and also I wanted to make it adjustable in size. Not many sharqi style belts come with size change options, so here's a sneaky way to make your belt adjustable without compromising the style. And it's easy. Let's get started. To make this easy belly dance lace belt, you need lightweight fabric that matches your skirt. You only need about 20 centimeters or 8 inches, but the whole width of the fabric. Use 150 centimeter wide fabric, or if your fabric is narrower, sew a couple pieces together to make that length. And the belt will blend in better. Lace appliques. You'll need enough to cover your entire waistband. You can find where I bought these appliques on my blog from the link in the description below. Matching color threads, felt, and fabric glue. Cut the fabric into a 8 centimeter wide strip. Use the whole width of the fabric. If you want the tie to be longer, cut another strip and sew the strips at the short ends to make one long strip. Fold it right sides together lengthwise and do a straight stitch along the long edge with the 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. Turn it right side out, and at the ends, fold about 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch from the edge towards the inside and do a straight stitch there so we have neatly finished ends. Press it well at this point. And now we have one long tie. Fold it in half. Now measure your belt line or the area where you'd like to wear the belt and measure half of your belt line measurement from the fold of the tie. And mark the place with pins on both layers. Now open up the tie and take your lace appliques and place them along the tie in between the pins and place new pins to keep them in place. Try to place the largest parts of the appliques on the tie in order to maximize the surface area of the appliques that touch the tie. Leave the pin areas empty so the appliques won't get in the way when you tie the belt. Once you like the placement, sew the appliques onto the tie. I used double-threaded needle and whip-stitched around the edges of the appliques. Then place the belt wrong side up and take your felt and create a backing with this felt. Depending on your applique design, you might be able to trace the entire shape of the appliques and cover the back side of your appliques completely. That will be the best option because it'll give more support to your appliques and the belt. My appliques had a lot of small areas that couldn't be covered by felt, so I simply cut out a strip that at least covered the back side of the tie. And using fabric glue, attach the felt backing to the belt. Leave it overnight for the glue to dry. I used appliques that already had some stones and sparkles, but of course you can further decorate the lace appliques with beads and stones. Avoid decorating edges of the appliques because they can start to sag with the weight of the decoration. Instead, focus on the areas that are supported by the tie or felt backing. And your lace belt is complete! I made the tie from the same fabric as the skirt so it blends into the skirt. And I can adjust the size very easily. I love how simple and pretty this lace belt is. It's a great troop costuming option since it's easy to make and accommodates many different sizes. And if you want to make this skirt I'm wearing here, I have good news. You can learn to make this exact skirt in my brand new Zaina skirt with built-in shorts premium course. In this course, you can learn to create these beautiful skirts with built-in shorts. These shorts are very comfortable and keep the skirts in place no matter how much you dance. The best part is, these shorts are detachable so you can wash them easily and swap shorts to get new looks in seconds. The course will launch in a couple weeks, so if you're curious, learn more at sparklybelly.com/shorts. And next week, I'll show you how I decorated all these shorts and tips on decorating stretch materials. If you're curious, make sure to subscribe to my channel and sign up for my newsletter at sparklybelly.com. Hope you liked this lace belt tutorial, and if you did, please share this tutorial with your dancer friends. And again, check out the Zaina skirt with built-in shorts at sparklybelly.com/shorts. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling.